Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are all doing good. How is the markets today, guys? It's like shining portfolios. Yeah, I think your portfolios are shining like anything. But I forgot to tell you, welcome to the new financial year 2025. Because in US markets it starts at every January, same like a new year. But in our markets it starts from April 1st. If you see the small cap stocks, mid cap stocks, all are brighter like anything. There is a reason for it for me. I have seen that reason that was crazy. That's beautiful. I will tell you. Let's go to our drawing board. After that, we can discuss the charts. I have written all the things, guys. Okay, you guys are seeing it, right? The first thing, this is the main important thing I want to tell you. See this, guys. 14% increase in the net long position. It's crazy, man. From 35 they came to 45. It's crazy. That is the very positive news. Actually, if you have seen the morning markets also, crazy spike, big gap up and crazy spike because of this. I mean, in my perspective, of course short also decreased 14%. So the present long is from FI is 45% and short is 55%. Okay, at the end of the day, the selling figure from the FIs is minus 522 crores they sold. DIs are buying like anything. That's beautiful in the rising market because DIs means it's our money, our mutual funds money. That's why it is important. It's 200 crores, so approximately plus 600 crores positive, man. That's crazy. So overall markets also after gap up it is falling in the M pattern, but the end of the day it is consolidation. It has not fallen like crazy dip. Okay, let's go to all the news which are important. I've written all the things. The first thing we have discussed, small caps, mid caps shines. I think this stress test related thing, all this were indirectly was solved if you observe. I've told in the monthly analysis and the April 1st weekly analysis also, or first week analysis also. Guys, about the steel stocks, China's steel stocks in demand and there is related news. That's why steel stocks were appreciated. And realty stocks are also crazy today. They appreciated regarding some news related to realty stocks. That's why the realty stocks were appreciated. I mean, individual stock news. That's why total in the market is also positive. That's why realty stocks are appreciated. Okay, there's total consolidation in the indices. Actually option sellers are benefited today if you observe, because there is no big momentum. If you observe, only markets in the same zone. If you see the if there is any big momentum like parabolic move, 90 degrees move, only we can see the grade for option buyers. But if it is in the same place, the theta decay will happen, right? Theta decay. Due to that, option sellers were is beneficial. That's what I want to tell. After Fed comments, nothing changed, guys. Price consumption I have discussed in the yesterday weekly analysis also. Consumption data was in line with estimates only. He told the rate cuts about thing. Already has mentioned about 3 rate cuts. Now he's telling according to the data it is perfect. But the markets are take positive only, I feel. That's what. Nothing changed. That's what I want to tell you. Just reminder you that. Guys, RBI meeting monetary policy is from 3 to 5, from tomorrow to 5th. So 5th there will be meeting outcome. If anyone are taking positions, just keep this in mind. Okay, I'm not talking about the intraday players, I'm talking about the position traders. Okay, of course we discussed in the weekly analysis that monthly results will be started in this month only. So be careful if you're investing anything investing or trading, because there's news related thing will happen. Any stock, for example, you're doing TCS trade, intraday trade or position trade, on that day results will be there. So be careful about it. That's what I want to say. In card trade, guys, Springfield Venture sold 63 lakh shares. That's a crazy thing was ICICI Prudential Fund was bought 5,92,000 shares. That's why it is appreciated 11% today. Why I'm talking about this? Because mutual funds will not buy this much amount of shares in one go. That's why it means they are seeing the value. That's why they bought, right? And another thing, markets are also positive. This positive sentiment is also positive due to this 11% for high. Okay, guys, I want to tell you about this Dynamite Technologies. ICICI recommended a target of 10,500. I mean, ICICI Securities. Before COVID, guys, this is at below 500. See the magic after COVID. That's why investing for years will create you the magical wealth. I support investing in every second, I can say. Now it is at 8,000. They are given 10,500. Why? Because these guys deals with in the aerospace related thing as well. Most they're feeling aerospace will increase in their project. I mean, in the charts. I mean, in the company's revenue. That's where they're giving target of 10,500. That's what I want to discuss. Because why I've kept this stock, because of I want to tell you the magic of investing. Where is 500? Where is 10,500, guys? That's what I want to say. PNB Housing Finance 20% up upper circuit, because 3 rating agencies come and giving positive things. Not only the rating upgrade, they're telling the revenue will be increased, positive things. That's why they're giving rating buy. Due to this 3 rating agencies given 20% upper circuit and small caps also. I mean, the market sentiment is also positive. This positive news taken to 20% upper circuit. This important thing, guys, Ministry of Finance giving more importance to the domestic rather than global in the solar. That's why solar stocks became positive. So it's for the power sector, it's positive. That's what I want to say. Okay, this is the main thing. It's a great news, I can say, related to solar related companies like Tata Power. It's more known one, or remaining things. I think so. Sterlite for Reliance. Okay, guys, you're seeing the gold price approximately. I'm telling to my mom also morning. It's approximately 70,000, guys. Oh my god, it's crazy more. Infosys will get 6,300 crores from the refund for the tax, but in the afternoon I've seen from 2020-21 they got some crores. I think overall the people are estimating they will get this. So the people are expecting any dividend. They're getting huge money from the refund. So the people are expecting dividend or buyback from it. So it is positive for the Infosys. Guys, auto sales data mostly are good. If you see indirectly, some stocks exports are decreases. For example, Tata Motors for before 94,000, now 90,000. Like the sales are good only, but it has not came better than estimated. The people have expected this. It came, yes, good only. Yeah. That's why all markets are appreciating, but auto stocks are negative. Not fallen like anything. It's flat, I can say. Yeah, this is discussed. And just remember all the things, guys. I want to tell you news related things. There will be so many news, guys. So you guys need to see. You need to follow Twitter. You need to see the apps like ET Markets, ET Times, CNBC, all this. If you follow the news every second, if you for example, I do this in Twitter. I keep NDTV profit. For example, I'll take NDTV profit. I'll switch on the notification. Everything if they post, can you give me the notification? I will do this. By this, if these will get, we are passionate about markets. We need to know every market news, which is important if you are invested or not, any important thing, right? If you do this particular thing, guys, if you're on the switch on notification, everything they will post, every news will come, you'll get it, you'll get so easily. You'll get so easily like this, right? So that's why I want to recommend you this as well, because there will be so many news. If I want to discuss, I can discuss for 10 hours. Those many news will be there in a day. That's what I want to say. Okay, just do this. This is a hack, I want to say. Okay, let's go to our charts. Okay, the first thing is the market's a gap up. We have discussed, it's a positive thing. It's a new financial year. On the new financial year, when the first day it's positive, the market sentiment will come. The market sentiment will become positive. That one I want to say that. Okay, after gap up, what we need to do? Okay, gap up happened. What? The first 5 minutes is a big, beautiful bullish candle. You should not take the trade. Why? I will tell you right now. Say this, it has closed here, right? From here to first 5 minutes only we need to see. Example, guys, approximately you guys are seeing 185 points. 185 points, markets are gap up. In Nifty generally it moves 100, 200 when something is there. 200 only it moves. 185 points gap up. You will take the risk? No. We need to wait for the good positions. That's what happened. Here there are so many things happen. So, now my perfect confirmation is this bearish pin bar candle. Why is this perfect confirmation? I'm drawing this, for example. See this. Here there are so many things. For example, you guys are saying previous week high, previous month high, previous day high, and 22,500 related resistance. It's a figure that people say, right? 22,000 round figure. And the bearish pin bar. I have so many confirmation. And the supply zone, bearish pin bar, it is made at the supply zone. So many probabilities. It's a perfect trade. And again, what happened? Again, it formed the M pattern. This is a perfection trade, I can say. You can ensure the trade here. And you guys are seeing it is forming lower lows, again form the M pattern, again falling, again forming M pattern, again falling. Nothing happened at the end of the day. Why? Because if we know the sell figure buy figure, right? DIS bought so many shares, right? 1,200 crores. FIS have sold it for 500 crores. Due to the DIS buying, the market has not fallen much. It has fallen consolidated. Indirectly, the market is consolidation today. Okay. But for tomorrow, the main resistance I will see this, of course, this supply zone. After this Virgin CPR, if you are remembering, if you are seeing my videos from the long term, you guys can understand this. Virgin CPR is the most important. The main thing I will see tomorrow is this gap and this Virgin CPR after this supply zone. And according to the price action pivot, it's related to the all-time high only, right? It's near to the all-time high only, right? So I will see the gap. I will see this Virgin CPR. I will see this supply zone according to the pivots and the CPR and the price action. How the Bank Nifty is going. According to that, I will take the position. That's what I want to say. Okay. Let's go to the Bank Nifty, guys. Of course, same as Nifty, Bank Nifty gone crazy bullish. I will show you exactly the perfect close to the first 5 minutes candle. Guys, 511 points. It's a gap up. You will take the trade? No way. After 511 points gap up, if you are taking the trade, it's a freaking risky, man. Just think about this. After that, what happened? M pattern, because in Nifty also it is taking rejection at the R4 candle pivot. It's related to the previous month high, previous day high, and supply zone rejection and the bearish pin bar candle. Here also it formed the M pattern, so it's a perfect confirmation. After that, what happened? It is getting the dip and forming the lower lows. Your stop loss is not hit. You are in the trade only. And what happened? It has taken near to the day's low. It has taken support at the R4 candle pivot and form the W pattern, if you guys are seeing it. But it is an end of the day, so there is no trade here. But the end of the day, we can assume that Bank Nifty is stronger. It closed in a flat only. When this happens, next day can be the bigger momentum. Let's see what happens. There's a probability. It's not 100% confirmation. That's what I want to say. The bank nifty is positive, guys. That's what I want to say, because again it came to that level and closed. If you see where it has opened, closed at the same place. Let's see, the levels are this Virgin CPR, of course, here also. So I will say Nifty, Bank Nifty, Virgin CPRs are more important for me. After this, markets are good only, right? Now this will be shifted to this. I'll see 47,630 level. After this, old levels 47,800. Of course, this previous month high 48,161. These are the levels I will see. Of course, I will see this Virgin sweep here and previous day high, low, and how Nifty is moving, how the pivots are there, how CPR is there. We can take the trade according to the price action. I will see all these probabilities and I will share the trade. I will not take blindly. That's what I want to say. Okay. Just note down these levels. Okay. Tomorrow there can be bigger in the Bank Nifty. I'm expecting. Let's see what happens. It's a crazy fall. Elections are also coming. We are not seeing much volatility. That's a great thing. That's a great positive thing. VIX crashed like anything. 6% one. Beautiful. I'm going to show you the chart as well. See this. I like this perfection. Here's some flat only right now. King man, after long time, HDFC Bank also appreciated. Approximately 1.5%. More than 1.5%. Beautiful. First see. Guys, you see everywhere, maximum there is positivity. Today. Most of the Tata stocks are beautiful. Adani stocks. Wow, Adani is rocked. Crazy today. Momentum stocks which are in my watch list. Wow, all are beautiful. See IRFC, IREDA 5%. Wow. Small cap, mid cap. See, I've already tell you, small cap approximately 4%. Beautiful. Mid cap also, it's appreciated in a good way. Small cap was underrated from the past 2-3, I think so, past 1 week. But mid cap is performing. Now it has covered it. That's I can say. Nifty next 50, beautiful. I'm telling from the long time as well. Of course, small cap 250 is good. Reliance is flat, nothing. HDFC Bank already told you. Gold I already told you and discussed in the drawing board. Gold at all-time high indirectly, man. See. I'll show you the gold future charts. See, approximately 70,000. See this gap up. Oh my God. Beautiful. 10-year bonds are flat. Dollar index is not much. Still markets are running right. US markets. So let's see once dollar index I'm getting some. Dollar index is given breakout. It's not good for us. But let's see. I don't like this dollar index one. 10-year bond ends. Oh my God. Why? Due to the Friday statements in San Francisco. It's not good, guys. I think present in very short term it is not good for the 10-year bond ends and dollar index. It is negative for the equity, but that's what the markets are appreciating out of the financial year. That's good. That's what I want to say. Present situation in the bond ends. Let's go to the sectors. I've already told you. See, guys, everything positive. I'll tell you fast. Realty 5%, media 5%, metal 4%, small cap discuss, commodities, government stocks positive approximate 2%, energy 1%, infra 1%, pharma 1%, finance 1%, bank nifty I told you approximately 1%, IT also positive, flat. Why auto is negative? Somewhat flat with negative only because I told you of auto sales data. FMCG, when all are performing, FMCG will be underperforming. When everything is negative, FMCG will perform. That is the thing. It's like a backup for the markets. If you take anything as the market is positive, that's what I want to say. Your portfolios are shining, I can say. Okay, guys, thank you for spending the time in the video. You can like the video, share to your stock market friends and your family, and you can subscribe to my channel, and you can follow my YouTube shorts, and you can follow my Instagram page, Trading and My Life. That's it, guys. Bye. Cheers.